Friends, you are welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you so much, friends, for watching. In today's video, friends, in today's video I would like to show you how I make my weekend roll. This is yellow pepper, red pepper, green pepper, onions, white onions. It depends if you can use any type of onions. So it's going to be a short video. So that's what we're going to be using, the first ingredient. And the second ingredient is gonna be chicken breast. I've already washed that. Then I thoroughly wash it. So you need to wash your chicken breast. So let me just share with you. Let's have fun. Catch fun. Guys, we're going to dice this. So I will show you a perfect way how to treat yourself on weekend, a perfect way how to make your roll, chicken breast roll breast. So this is how I used to treat my kid for weekend. They're always looking forward for this. It's yummy, guys, very lovely. You guys gonna like it. Going to like it. Yummy. So the next step now, just transfer it so anything. Well, yes, I'm still going to give it more rinse. You can see it's drying, so I need to rinse it again. All my stuff, guys. That is minced pepper, minced herbs, minced chili, including African Nigeria ones, India chicken seasoning, Maggi, salt, garlic. So you can go, depends, just try it. See, I love seasoning my thing. So that's one tip. I'm going to be putting the recipe there to make life easy. So we're going to mix it together. Very simple. At this point, if you have like corn flour or flour, you can go ahead and add them. But I don't want corn flour. I always like to roll this way. Very lovely, guys. I'm going to leave it in the fridge for another 30 minutes for all the seasoning to penetrate inside. That is my wok. So I'm going to be using my favorite wok. It always makes food tasty. Don't mind this. So we're going to use 100 grams of butter. You need cooking butter or cream butter. If you cannot find a cream butter or cooking butter, you can get vegetable oil or olive oil. Up with your onions for the aroma. You don't just let it cool. Let them circulate. So the next step, we're going to be pouring this. minutes, 10 to 8 minutes. It depends the type of the gas cooker or electric cookers you are using. So mine is after 10 minutes. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes for the water to go away. You can swear at this point you can use it to eat rice if you wish. So we are not going to use it to eat rice. We are using it to eat baguette roll. That is what I'm making. So guys, at this point I'm going to remove it. It's done. Here it is after 15 minutes. Like I said, it depends your gas cooker. Maybe yours might be like 20 to 30 minutes. So mine is 15, and I just want the juice to stick around the chicken, the breast of chicken. I just want the juice of the chicken to stick together, to stick around the chicken. So this is how I treat my children. Fry the treats. Other country with the same packet, I think, or go as well. So what I want to get from this, I just need the juice. So I do this separate. And I like it to be crunchy. So at this point I've already reduced the heat because I like it to be crunchy. And I serve it separate. So the juice, the leftover juice from the chicken, you're going to use it to just mix this. That's what I do. This is how it looks. Five minutes. Like I said, I really want this crunchy. I'm going to go ahead and switch it off. You can turn off the cake down. Turn it off now. That's it. This is called stuffing. We call this stuffing in Irish. This I make this from leftover bread. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make stuffing. It's not complicated, but to even remember, I make it a plain bread, leftover bread, minced pepper, garlic, and butter, and a little bit of buttermilk. So I'm going to show you guys how I make it. And this is cheese. We all know cheese, and the kids love different coleslaw. So I got this. You can get this in any shop you want. So I went to my favorite shop. I get this. This is coleslaw. This is pepper coleslaw, cream coleslaw, pepper coleslaw. So those are the topping. I minced pepper. It's very crunchy. Minced pepper. And I'm going to be using my chicken. This is how it looks when it dry. This is what I was talking about. So we call it here roll. Some people call it baguettes. So I call it, the kids call it roll. You need a bread, any type of knife or bread or cutter. That's mine. So I like the pepper one. So this is how I treat myself for weekend. Thank God it's Friday. So let me know how do you treat the family? How do you treat yourself on weekend? I want to know. I'm too nosy. I'm very nosy. I want to know how do you treat the family, treat yourself during weekend. So I told you it's very nice when it's crunchy. You like it. I'm going to leave the recipe below, down below. Hear this. That's why I always like to do my stuffing like this. Wish me all the best. When more